folks, welcome again to another video where we are going to discuss a SQL question which was asked in the interview. And this is a good SQL question. I feel it was tricky because I felt it was tricky because we are going to use the range keyword, and I still feel that range keyword is something that's tricky to me. So yeah, so I think so let's jump right into the question without further ado. So so this is the table, the tweets table, where we have these columns: user ID, timestamp, tweet content, and tweet ID. So tweet ID is basically the primary key, okay, which is identifying each tweet uniquely. Now that we have that, now that we have understood the table structure, let's understand the question. The question is that we want to display the day, user ID, and count of tweets for the last 7 days. So as in, like, if it's 8th of August today, uh, if it's 8th of August today, the user is ABC. I want to display the number of tweets from 2nd of August to 8th of August. That would be last 7 days. Okay, so this is what I want to achieve. I would request you to pause this video and give this question a try. I hope you're back. I hope you have done that. So let's dive into the question. This is the table, and I want day. I am not using any function like date, trunc, or extract because I already have timestamp in the format of day. So timestamp, and I want the user ID. So I'll say user ID, and last 7 days, count of last 7 days, right? Okay, I'll use the count window function, count tweet ID over. I'm going to partition this by user ID, not by timestamp also. I'm not going to partition this by user ID and timestamp. Instead, I'm going to partition this by user ID because I'm going to play around timestamp. Understand that, right? I want for each user ID, I want last 7 days, like current day and last 6 days. I want the sum. So that's why I'm not using timestamp and partition by. Okay, order by timestamp. And now the tricky part, which is range between. See, I'm not using row between because row between, what it will do, so it will say, like, if this is the current row, I'll say row between 6 preceding and current row. That would mean this row and 6 preceding, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So these rows, but I want the range from 2nd to 8th, correct? So that's why I'm using range between. Interval 6 days preceding and current row. So current row and 6 days preceding. So if it's 8th of August, then I would want 2nd of August. So all the records which have that timestamp, I want to, like, count tweet IDs for all those records. Yeah, this is it, and I will name this as last 7 days, last 7 count. I'll run this, and that's it. Here I have it. So for first it's 1, it's for second it's 2, for fourth it's 3, and, like, suppose on 10th it's 4 again because it's counting from 3rd. Sorry, for 10th it's going to be 4. It's counting since 4th. Okay, I hope you understood the problem statement. I hope you also understood how we are using the range between utility function, range between keyword basically. And yeah, if there could be other ways to solve this problem as well. Do let me know in the comment section. So until next time, happy watching, and yeah, thank you.